guys, welcome to week 3 of science. I am teacher Frankie and these are my dinosaurs, and today we are going to be talking about chemical reactions. But first, take a quick few minutes, look at your plants and tell me how they are doing. So, week 3, chemical reactions. Before I start to put everything together, let's just talk a little bit about what a reaction is. A chemical reaction is when we have two things and they mix together to become something new. Number 2, they cannot be undone. We cannot reverse it and get the two things that we started with. There are 4 kinds of chemical reactions. There is synthetic reaction, decomposition reaction, combustion, and photochemical. So, as you can see, I've got some ingredients in front of me. I've got some baking soda, vinegar, I've got some food coloring, and I've got a few other things to help me with the experiment. So, what do you think we are going to do today? That's right, we're going to make a volcano. It is good to get some sort of tray because this reaction is going to make a mess and we want to try to make cleaning as easy as we can. So we are going to get a bottle. We're going to use a funnel. Again, this is going to help us be clean. First thing we need to do is get our baking soda. Okay, get something to help you measure. Okay, 1 scoop of baking soda. So when we have a volcano, when it erupts, what comes out of it? Yep, that's right, lava. And what color is lava? Yeah, it's sort of an orangey reddish sort of color. I have got 2 colors of glitter. So we're just going to put a little bit of this, a little bit of yellow, a little bit of orange, oops, mix it up. And you can just put this down to the side for now. We're finished with that. Okay, next bit. For this one, you need an empty bottle. We're going to get our funnel. Okay, and this time we only need about 1.5 cups of vinegar. So my green, this is 1 cup. Oops, see, it's a good thing we had a tray. Cool. And my orange one here is 1/2 cup. So we're going to fill up the orange one as well. So your bottle will be about half full of vinegar. Okay, as you can see, I have 3 colors of food coloring again, and again this is to help us make it look like lava. So just right now with the vinegar, I'm just going to dump some yellow in there. Yep, that's enough. So it doesn't really look yellow, it looks a bit more orange, but that's okay. Give that a swirl. Next thing you need is some dish soap. And you're just going to, you don't need to measure it in a cup, you're just going to squeeze. So I don't really want the yellow to mix with the red. I'm going to try and keep them a little bit separate. Try just a little bit of pink, just for something different. There we go, and we are finished with those as well. So let's just put that mixture to the side. But we were going to make a volcano. So where's the volcano? But we're going to do that now. So one thing you need for this is a grey piece of paper. Make sure the color is not too dark or you're not going to see the explosion. This is a bit of foam. So this is going to be maybe the trickiest part for you. You want to ask somebody to help you. And again, this is going to be the trickiest part for me as well. So I'm going to do this. I am just going to fast forward what I'm doing. But basically, we need to make a cone. So we're going to cut a hole in the middle, and then we're going to cut a circle around it. Okay, I think we've got a pretty good size here. What do you think? Okay, now just to put it together, you want to get some tape. Perfect. Okay, there is our volcano. Okay, and then you're going to get your vinegar mixture. This is a really quick reaction, so you need to try and tip your vinegar into your baking soda as fast as you can. Okay. Oops. Successful volcano. So let's talk a little bit about what has happened. What was the reaction here? Was it the food dye and the glitter? No. It was because of the vinegar, or science name acetic acid, and the baking soda, or the science name bicarbonate of soda. The easy way to explain it is that the baking soda and the vinegar mixed to create something new, a gas called carbon dioxide, which made, when it mixed together, it made all of the color, all of the vinegar, all of the baking soda come out of the bottle, out of the volcano. Slightly more difficult explanation: when the baking soda and the vinegar mixes together, it very quickly creates something called carbonic acid. Okay, the carbonic acid then decomposes. Remember, it separates or splits into carbon dioxide and water. And it is the carbon dioxide, the gas, that shoots or makes everything shoot up and explode. So, put those away. So that was our experiment for this week, making a volcano out of baking soda and vinegar. And when you do this, sorry I didn't say this before, try to have somebody making a video of it so you can show me your volcano. Maybe it was better than mine. Okay, so there is a worksheet to go with this experiment. It's going to be on Facebook. Again, remember to look after your plants. Number 3, have fun. Okay guys, I'm going to see you again next week. Bye.